New at 5:30, ABC 27's investigative reporter Katie LaGrone asked some of Florida's top cops to weigh in on when your right to record police can become a crime and why they say getting it right matters now more than ever.
It's far from a new trend. In fact, bystander video capturing police interacting with the public is now the norm.
It's not illegal to record. Please.
Even considered a critical tool in the battle to weed out bad cops.
Y'all just killed that man.
This is your current address?
But a recent appellate court ruling against a mom who recorded the arrest of her teenage son is raising questions over when filming police can land you in a Florida jail. And some top cops here are concerned about its unintended consequences moving forward.
This is a big setback, in my opinion, because now you're saying, hey, we don't want you recording now. That's what a lot of people are going to take out of this.
Just wait off to the side for a moment.
Boynton Beach, 2009.
Okay, come here.
Police call a mom after her teenage son tried to sneak into a movie theater.
Can I come back over?
You sure can.
She shows up with a camera, rolling.
Excuse me, are you recording that with audio?
Oh, now you're going to arrest me.
Police ordered her to stop recording. She refused. According to court records, even lied about it, didn't answer their questions, and eventually became confrontational, but never physical.
No, I'm just asking questions, okay? I'm a mother, I'm a concerned parent. I have that right.
In the end, mom was arrested for obstruction or interfering with police doing their job. While her criminal charges were dropped, she filed a civil rights lawsuit and lost on appeal last week. One of 3 judges strongly opposed the arrest.
Do you think this could set a dangerous precedent in Florida?
Chief Nathan Osgood leads the Riviera Beach Police Department.
If it's misinterpreted or misunderstood, yes, it could.
A predominantly black city in Palm Beach County.
We're pushing for police reform, police accountability, the whole public, everybody's pushing for it. And then all of a sudden, something like this come about, it says just the opposite.
That's because while recording police is legal and even encouraged by many law enforcement agencies, obstruction remains a gray area at the discretion of police.
I want to make sure that officers can't say, well, the courts have said we can do this.
St. Petersburg Police Chief Anthony Holloway says obstruction while filming is often confusing and controversial.
Tell me more facts before you tell me you put someone in jail for just recording you on the side of the streets.
While some states have taken legislative steps to clarify what interfering with police really means, Martin County Sheriff's Major John Budensik says it often boils down to a matter of distance.
Had she stayed off to the side and simply videoed what was taking place, there would have been no problem. She would have never gotten arrested.
The reality is what we have to look at is what actually happened there. She was not an innocent bystander. She didn't take out her phone just to record something she saw other people involved in.
Chief Michael Gregory now leads the Boynton Beach Police Department. He was not with the agency when this incident occurred.
If that incident happened now involving your officers, what would be your response?
I can't speculate on exactly what I would think.
So now you're going to arrest me.
But Gregory is clear the ruling doesn't impact the department's views on transparency, accountability, and moving forward, like all law enforcement agencies, to improve the public's trust, with or without cameras rolling.
You're actually obstructing it, resisting it, or trying to oppose that investigation, then you're violating the law and you can be arrested for obstruction. It's not about the camera or the recording.
What's next for this case in court remains to be seen. The mother's attorney tells me they are still reviewing next steps. Katie LaGrone, ABC 27 investigates.